Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going deep into a strategy that's perfect for short-term trades, Supertrend indicator on a line chart. I know, most people use candlestick charts, but trust me, this method using a line chart can give you cleaner, faster signals for 5-second trading. Also today, in the middle of this video, we will reveal the winners of the giveaway from the previous episode. Huge thanks to everyone who participated. You're all absolute legends. Let's get started. First, let's go to the terminal to analyze the market. You probably already know which one I prefer. Let's select the line chart. As you can see, we have 4 types. That's candles, bars, but we need a line chart. It's easier to recognize this strategy on the line. And next, enable auto scroll. This keeps the chart moving with the price in real time. Very convenient. It's very comfortable for trading. Now, the Mr. Indicator, the key part. Let me show you. You can choose it here, as you can see, Supertrend. Just after you select it, it will automatically appear on the chart. Now let's go to the settings. You can access them here. The default settings are ATR, period 10 and multiplier 3. We will stick with these settings for this strategy. You can customize the style, of course, as you prefer. But I think the default one is just fine. Now let's explain what ATR period and multiplier actually mean in settings. ATR stands for average true range. It measures market volatility. A period of 10 means we calculate the average volatility over the last 10 bars. The multiplier adjusts the indicator sensitivity. A lower multiplier like 2 will give more signals but also more noise. A higher multiplier 4 gives fewer but stronger signals. For our 5-second trading style, this default settings is perfect. That means each trade will be closed in just 5 seconds, fast in, fast out. So how does the indicator actually work? Here's the logic. When the price flying crosses above the red Supertrend line, a green line appears, showing a buy signal. That's the moment to open a buy trade. The opposite, when price crosses below the green line, a red line appears with the sell tag. That's when you short. It's that simple, but don't be confused. Just wait, observe and act quickly, because this is a day trading. This is a scalping for 5 seconds. As soon as the price touches or crosses the level, you should be ready to enter. Since 5-second trades fast, they also close fast. You can zoom it out, the chart, to examine price movement more clearly, of course. Things will shift slightly in real time, but it don't really matter. Just trade as you're comfortable. The next topic is even more important. Trading never gives you 100% win rate. There will always be losses. So what do we do in those cases? Follow a solid money management and risk control system. Stay calm, stay disciplined. The biggest enemies are stress and emotions. Even a great strategy only gives you 50% of the edge. The other 50% comes from risk control and emotional discipline and money management. Combine all that and you have the skills of a real trader. With time, you will trade like a pro. Start small. Open your first trade with a small amount, 1-2% of your deposit max. This helps you warm up, get a feel for the market and the strategy. Practice is a key. Remember, better yet train on a demo account first. Then you can go live. Set daily rules. Have a daily stop loss and profit goal. If your balance drops below the level, stop trading. Don't continue. Believe me, take a break, go for a walk, come back the next day well rested and you will win. Same goes for profit targets. Set a daily goal and stick to it. If one trade losses, what do we do? I personally use martingale. That means increasing the amount x2 or 2.5, sometimes 3x, depends on the situation. You can see examples in my other videos. Also, I think today I will have a chance to show you. So I recommend starting with just 2 steps of martingale if the first trade losses double the amount, but don't go beyond 3 steps. If it doesn't recover, keep the asset. Looks for another entry or another pair. Always track your ratio. Out of 10 trades, how many were wins? How many were losses? Now, let me show you live how this actually works. We will open 10 trades, something like this, using the 5-second method and apply martingale in real time. But no, I forget something. Let's do the giveaway. It's time to choose the winner of our $10 giveaway from the previous video. As I mentioned before, I'll be sending 10 USDT to one of you who left a comment under the last video with word profit. Thank you so much, guys, for your amazing activity. You the best. So we've got 14 participants this time. To make it completely fair, I will let AI decide the winner. I think it's fair, right? 14 participants. So, hey, could you pick the number from 1 till 14?
All right, let me pick one. How about number 7? That feels like a lucky one.
Lucky 1, lucky 7. Oh, you're so obvious, but thank you. I don't know if you will see or not. It's number 7. I will send you a screenshot if you need. Anyway, congratulations, and let's see who this guy or girl. And let's find that one. I need to check every comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 7. This is Mr. Joseph Armstrong 2063. Mr. Joseph, congratulations. I'll reply directly to your comment under the last video with the details so you can claim your bonus. I'll be running more giveaways, guys, like this, if you're not against, of course, and I hope you will use your bonuses wisely. Oh, right, bonuses. If you stick around until the very end, I'll show you how to get up to 60% deposit bonus using my personal promo code. Okay, and now let's try the Supertrend in real action. You ready? Let's go to trend. Well, let's start the session. You already saw I opened into small example trades earlier. Now let's go bigger. Here the line crosses. Now let's wait. It's not crosses yet. As you can see, it crosses green before. Now we're waiting for a new line. That's what you do. Okay, let's wait. Okay, here the line crosses will open buy. Okay, it's first win. Let's continue. Here's the idea. We're waiting for a signal when the chart line crosses the sell trend line, like here, you see? And that's it. We crosses the green line, we open sell. We crosses now the red line, we open buy. Okay. Oh, well, that was close. Now we wait for another signal, opposite one. And okay, it's lost. But now opposite one for 200 martingale multiplicator, and you see, well, clear. Of course, you can pick more pairs, which I recommend to have more options. Let's just wait. If it's cross or not, don't want to miss the signal. Looks like it's close. Go down. Okay, let's pick more pairs. Finally, how do you just click the star, yellow star, and you see or it's orange stars, doesn't matter. You see that all the pairs in the chart pick only 92% payout. Okay, and see, we have a signal. The price line crossed the red line, we open buy. Unfortunately, we open for 200, same direction. And it's good, we cover losses and it's good. Just open your demo account, training account, and start with small one, practice, make you perfect, of course. Okay, another trade, as you can see. Open. Oh, I open for 200. Misclick. Not focused. Dang. It doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. I think I show you enough. Now you can practice. And me, I will chill. It's time for me to rest. To wrap it up, these indicators work well on a line chart using settings 10 and 3. Pair it with 5-second trades and proper money management. Test it on demo first, never jump in a really big amount from the start. Want the deposit bonus? Yes, of course you want. Use my promo code Dawit during deposit. You will get up to 60% extra, which can really help boost your realizations. Also, join our Telegram community. I share behind-the-scenes updates, personal insights, and early access to new strategies. Links are in the description. Due to YouTube updates content policies, I can't share some of my intense live trading sessions here anymore. But you can still find them exclusively in my private Telegram channel. Go there, follow there. Don't forget to like, comment below. If you want more tutorials like this and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for watching. Trade smart, not blind, and see you soon. Peace.